It's Sunday, the first week of June. So again, lots of crap everywhere. Need to clean it up. So we're gonna go take a look at the mango. The reason is, seems like this is the month that everything is starting to grow like crazy. Got some corn going too as well. So should be able to harvest pretty soon. So I did also clean up a little bit inside this pool. Used to be like, you know, lots of crap scattered all over the places, just like stuff up here too. Crap's everywhere. So I kind of clean it up, straighten it out, you know, make it into organized, you know, rows so that I can walk around it without getting, you know, injured. And here you can see mangoes are pushing out new leaves like crazy. This is the June plum. Did not get any fruit last year, so hopefully this year, you know, flowers will make it. Yeah, look at all the new leaves pushing out. This is I think a Hachinook from Plantogram. No, from Top Tropical. So maybe about 7-8 years, 9. Don't remember. I think I bought it in 2014. 13 or 14. Okay. And this is another June plum. Started from seed. So yeah, June is the month where everything just grows like crazy. Emerges out of the winter. So it's coming alive. I don't know why that. I keep on getting like really bad. You know, the branches keep on dying back. Anyway, I try to, you know, promote new branching by cutting off at every, you know, internodes. So it looks like this one is about to, you know, have new leaves coming out or branch. Okay, so I think I will have to remove, I guess, remove it from this pot, this ceramic pot. It's pretty big pot, but I think, as you can see, the roots here. You know, let me go to the other side. Better shots from this other angle. Okay, we just got some rain this morning. That was about an hour ago. So I use it to save the rainwater. Okay. Okay, so this is gotta show you the Palmera. It's been out there all winter long. So we're a bit shriveled, but it's okay. So here is this mango here. So it's a I bought it from Home Depot. So it's a Manila, and I grafted. This is what is it? What is it? Lemon. What is that thing called? Oh God, I forgot what's it called. Not lemon meringue, but sweet tart. No, not sweet tart, but lemon zest. Lemon zest. That's what it is. So yeah, I try to cut it at every, internodes, so that you can, branch out more. So I think I graph it to way too high. So it must be like, 3-4 foot there. So this is where the graph is. This is like here, so I guess it's healing really nice. Okay, so as you can see, the roots here is huge. Okay, so I will have to start repotting it, because this is a ceramic pot. It might be too small for it. So that's my chili. So again, I didn't have time to repot it. So it's like 3, 4, 5 years old already in that pot altogether. Just leave it alone. Okay. So this is another Melnella. I bought it from Home Depot, and I started grafting it as well from my Mahachanuk. Mostly just Mahachanuk. So new leaves pushing out, some fruits. Okay. And this one is a Malika. That's a Malika. You'll see underneath these. So this is the Mahachanuk from Top Tropical. Look at all these branches. See? I try to basically cut it at the internodes. Then sometimes I forget. I just leave it alone right here. Just leave it alone, But ideally, every internodes, I want to cut it to promote. You see, like this, and here, and here, and all the way down here. Okay, and right here too. You see the branching out here too as well. See, one, I cut it here, and I cut it here, and I cut it here. So promote branching at every internode. So same thing here. I did same thing, See, 3 branches, and then cut it here, and then cut it here, here, and here, and here. Okay, you see, cut it here too. And this one is my Kiyosawa, however you pronounce it. But I got it from Thailand. Okay, so this is a big banana plant. I basically took it down because you see it's starting to grow like crazy in this clustered. So I cut one leaf at a time, you know, remove it one leaf at a time. And this will be for mulching compost. So very nice. New growth. And then we take a look at this other one. See the new growth there? That's a huge one. And this is my cherimoya, about 11 years old. So I took, this is the tip of the tree of the cherimoya, and I use this, you know, I tied a string right there onto the tip and then into my pergola right there, so that you know, I wanted the tree to be, you know, coming this way towards my side of the fence, not my neighbor's, because otherwise it's like, you know, over my neighbor's fence. I don't like to grow stuff, you know, onto the other people's property. So, and then I put this here, I hang that there so that I can bring down the tip of the branch there, low it so that I can do hand pollination without climbing up too high.